Hey guys, welcome back. So we're obviously not in my normal intro location. I recently redid my workspace, so this is what we're gonna work with for now. I don't know if it's gonna stick, but for now, it's a thing. Also, sorry for being so sporadic with posting on this channel, but I do post every day on my Instagram, so if you want to keep up with me, I'm active over there. But I do have a new video for you today, and that is the iPhone vs DSLR photo challenge. And throughout this video, I am going to be taking photos of my friend Kaylee, who you might recognize from our model shoots photographer video.
ISO, I'm gonna change it up to 32-400.
I'm still not over that. So I use my DSLR camera to take all of the photos you see across my Instagram, which is my Nikon D850. But my phone does come in handy for just on-the-go content, and the fact that it's super lightweight and still able to retain quality makes it super reliable. So I do find myself reaching for each device for totally different reasons, and that's why I wanted to put them to the test and have myself shoot the same location, model, lighting setup, and even the props we use, and honestly just see how the photos turn out with the iPhone versus the DSLR. So let's get on into it. We're starting with the iPhone first.
Ooh, how did I just go from 0 to 100?
So for the setup, we decided to just head to my room and take advantage of the different neon lights I have up there. And if you were wondering, the neon light and the Bluetooth light bulb you'll see me using throughout the shoot, I got at Urban Outfitters. Which color are we feeling? I kind of like the red, the warmer pinks. So with the iPhone SS Max in hand, I decided to screen record so you can see exactly how I'm going about taking these photos. And I also just really love how they made screen recording a thing. I feel like I use this feature every day. Let me see what it looks like with different filters. Whoa. Look how cool, this is literally your vibe. So the thin sheets you see me using here are colored gels, which are mainly used in front of lighting fixtures to change the hue, but I thought they looked just as great in front of my phone camera and created some fun distortion. I'm gonna try portrait mode and see what it looks like.
Ew, I hate portrait mode.
While I just got this phone recently, I wasn't able to explore all the camera features yet, and I was really impressed with the types of light available in portrait mode, but I wasn't exactly sure how I could put them into use for this specific shoot, so maybe down the line I will. Oh my god, Kaylee, do that again, look at me like that. Yeah, stay. You don't have to lean in, but kind of just yeah.
You have to
And something I've always loved about the iPhone camera is being able to lock your focus on a subject and then bring down your exposure. So I found myself doing a ton of that while taking pictures of Kaylee. This is so good. I'm wondering if you're gonna like the iPhone pics better. I guess we'll see at the end. Pull it up to your nose a little more. And close your eyes. I love that so much.
I'm gonna sneeze.
It's not a real rose, Kaylee. Can I see your eyes? I love that.
Why is that everything?
Okay, I feel like this mirror would look really dope.
Ooh.
Yeah. Love that. We're kind of cropping out the wires this way too. Tilt your body kind of this way more. Moving on to shooting this same exact setup but with my Nikon D850 and 35mm 1.4, I think right off the bat you can tell that Kaylee and I are more comfortable with my actual camera in hand.
Because I feel like I don't have to like hold, you know what I mean? Like with the camera I can just kind of naturally move.
Right. Yeah, right there is good. Because both of us are so familiar with this way of shooting, I feel like we were more confident and efficient. I think that also comes from me knowing in the back of my head that this way of shooting will produce a higher quality image, and I'm able to play with that more in post, especially with the oversaturated colors of the neon on her skin. Yeah, don't cover your eye, I won't see it yet. What I did think was super interesting is when using the prism this time around, it created such a different effect because of my low aperture of 1.4. And in this case, I actually preferred the final look of the iPhone. But let me know what you guys think. Alright, so that was it. I hope you guys enjoyed that challenge. I had a lot of fun. Yeah! It was a different way of shooting because I feel like with the iPhone, we knew we were shooting a little bit wider, so we had to like take that into account. Like she had to kind of use different angles.
Well, it's also cool because I feel like both were very different, but they both were super high quality. You also feel like know my angles on your camera.
Yeah.
Which is fun.
Yeah, I feel like with my camera, I was like directing her more because I'm just so used to that, where it's like directing someone with an iPhone is like so weird. I mean, regardless, I think they both came out really well, but let us know down below which you preferred, the iPhone or the DSLR. But yeah, throw this video a like, and we'll see you guys soon.
Bye!
Bye!
Okay, ready?
Let's keep
That was so...
Wait, one more time.
Okay. No!
Wait, one more time. One more time.
Waking up so late, half the day is gone.